We made our way over to Bally's, and we're heading over to the Claridge. Bigger, better Bally's. So the Claridge is right next door to Bally's, and this is our very first time going there, believe it or not. They have the View, the rooftop bar. It's the 23rd floor. That's where we're going to end up. Here we go. They have happy hour here, 4 to 7, breakfast. Let's see, where do we want to go? The lobby. Here is the breakfast special, $14.99. Dinner special, $24. Gnocchis. Look at these old pictures. See, that's the other way that you can get around the boardwalk. The people push you. You get in their little buggy. So let's head on down to the lobby. I heard it's very nice. Wow, look at how mobbed it is over there. Holy smokes. Look at the bathing suits they're wearing. So let's go to the lobby. There we go. Where are we going? Lobby, here we go. We are in the lobby of the Claridge. Here is the check-in. Look at this furniture. We just came out of the Claridge. Right over here, and I noticed that they have this park. We are going to go on the 23rd floor at the View later, but they open at 4, so we're a little bit too early, but this is very pretty. And right over here from the Claridge we have the Hard Rock Resort, Ocean. Yeah, we'll be heading up there in a little bit also. Now this is on the boardwalk side, but if you look in the distance you can see Bogota, which is on the marina side. Okay, in the corner, this is the View Smoking Lounge. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. We just came from Cafe 2825 and we're late for happy hour. Now this field here is where a previous video the fire department was, and they were, I think they were in training with their hoses. So I'm going to lift this up. So over here, well, let's look over here. We have the marina side, which is Bagata, Harris, Golden Nugget, the bridge, and this here is the boardwalk side. It's Ocean Hard Rock Resort Showboat. This is one of our favorite places to come. It. You know what? Once touching you, sweet Caroline. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The times never seem so good. I did right. To believe it never was. Here we are, Hard Rock Resorts, Oceans, and the wheel. I don't know how well this is coming out, but Here we are. It's beautiful.